Our job today is to replace this brake line with a slightly longer one, which will allow the fitment of handlebar risers. To get better access to these banjo fittings, just have to remove this side trim. Okay, these take a T25 size bit. So the two that come from right up the front have a blunt head, whereas the ones from the rest of the trim have a pointy head. Now the manual suggests that you need to take out the oil filler to take this trim bit off. I find it better if you don't. This one here, just beneath the heated grips switch, is also going to come out. Removing this trim panel is a bit tricky. Alright, so pulled up a bit from the base. Lifts over the oil filler and then pulls down out of there. So there's a clip that presses in here. So this top one that goes to the handlebars, goes into the ABS pump, and the return comes up here and down to the wheel. After we swap this brake line, we're going to need to refill the brake reservoir. And to do that, we're going to take off these bark busters. It's a T27. Surely they don't have to be that hard. So I just got a bit of towel down so when this comes off, hopefully we don't get oil everywhere. Jesus, that's tight. Oh, Jesus. Don't know what I just knocked off them. You can see that's just starting to leak out now. This is a brass washer on each side of that. So as you can see, there's no resistance now with air in the system, so we've got to bleed the brakes. So we'll locate the bleed screw on the caliper. Okay. Okay, so we're just going to open the bleeder screw. What I don't know is why it falls back down. Good thing is there's a bubble or two coming up.